Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel again. It's your boy YPFed, and as promised from the last video, we'll be doing a realistic drawing. So the first thing that you need is what I said in the last video. If you didn't check out the last video, go and check it out. So if you have all your tools in place, you're ready to go. So the first thing that we do is draw the grids. So for the best results, I recommend you must use your squares for the grids.
And if you would notice, the pencil that I'm using is very light.
And the pencil that I use for drawing the grids is a 5H pencil. So for this drawing, I use a 5H pencil, 2H pencil, H pencil, B pencil, 2B pencil, 4B pencil, 6B, and lastly 8B pencil. The second thing that you do, which I don't know what happened to my video, but you draw the outline. When you finish doing the outlines, you start drawing everything that you see in the exact picture. As you can see, I'm doing it in a rough way. Yeah, it's not a very messy way because I'm careful with what I'm doing. So in each grid that I see the nose, I draw that grid correspondingly with the ones in the drawing. The reason for that is that you want the proportion of the drawing to be exactly or almost the same with the ones in the actual picture that you're referring to, so that it won't look messed up. In these first steps, I use the very light pencils only. For the skin, I'm using an H pencil. For the eyes, I use a 4B. For the beard, I'm using a 4B pencil. And wherever I will use a dark pencil, I will be sure that I won't be touching that spot a lot. For me, the first round, the darkest pencil that I use is usually 2B, or sometimes I intended to use a 4B pencil. And as you can see now, I haven't used any rubber. So if by now, by any chance, you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. So as it gets to finish drawing and getting the whole picture of what the drawing will look like, now you need to bring more light to the drawing. So you do that by adding more dark tone to the drawing. Wherever there was an HB pencil, you put a 2B. Wherever there was a 2B, you put a 4B. Wherever there was a 4B, you put a 6B. You're trying to give it life. So after that part, you start off by shading out the whole drawing. So after shading the whole picture, you're going to use a rubber to highlight all the places where light reflects on the pictures. When using this technique, I usually use a lot of pressure because you would end up erasing the whole thing. So you just apply a little bit of pressure. After doing that, you use the earbud to blend in the surface. So as I was getting to the end of my drawing, I noticed like, why shouldn't I add more darkness on the beanie that I was wearing, and added more highlights of a dark tone on the drawing. So at this point, the only thing that I was doing is just doing the final touches here and there. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll be posting my videos every week. So if you got lost somewhere somehow, let us go to the comment section so that I can make everything clear for you. Thank you.